COVID-19 is here to stay for the foreseeable future, which means we're now learning how to live with it. To help you navigate this new phase, there are steps we can all follow to keep ourselves, our loved ones, and our community as safe as possible. As you return to everyday activities, here's a few simple things you can do to help slow the spread of COVID-19. First, know your community's positivity rate. When positivity rates are high, wear a mask and try to avoid large events. Know the symptoms of COVID-19. If you need help, visit the Illinois Department of Public Health website, where you'll find regularly updated information and tools for identifying the symptoms of COVID-19 and what to do if you've been exposed. If you're experiencing symptoms, get tested right away. Or if you've been exposed, test on day 5. Test kits are readily available at most local pharmacies, and you can speak with your doctor about treatment options available in your area. If your test results confirm you're COVID positive, the CDC advises you to quarantine for 5 days. After day 5, be sure to wear a mask when in public for an additional 5 days to minimize the risk of transmission. During quarantine, it's important to monitor your symptoms. Take your temperature regularly and monitor your pulse oxygen levels. If your pulse oxygen level falls below 95, call your provider as you may be experiencing pulmonary distress. Other steps you can take to reduce the spread of COVID-19 include regular and thorough hand washing and covering your mouth when you cough or sneeze. Let's all do our part to minimize the spread of COVID-19 and keep ourselves, our families, and our communities safe. Find out more